There is a discussion going on that we have damaged Earth through climate change, and soon Earth will be inhabitable for humans, and so we should go to Mars. But even that inhabitable Earth will be much more suitable for human civilization than Mars. Mars is very different than Earth in many ways. It is much smaller than Earth. In fact, you can fit 6 Mars inside one Earth. Mars also has a very thin atmosphere. Earth's atmosphere is 100 times more dense than Mars's. So Mars doesn't trap a lot of heat that is coming from the sun. In the case of the Earth, sun's heat hits Earth's surface and some of it is reflected to the atmosphere, and the atmosphere traps this heat. Therefore, the Earth stays warm. Mars's atmosphere doesn't do that. So the side facing the sun can be hot, while the other side can get extremely cold. In fact, the average temperature on Mars is negative 60 degrees Celsius. In winter, it can get down to negative 125 degrees Celsius. And in summer, it can go up to 20 degrees Celsius, but at night, it can go back to negative 73 degrees Celsius. So apart from the extreme cold, the temperature variation is also unlike what we're used to. And Earth's atmosphere is 78% nitrogen and 21% oxygen. On the other hand, Mars's atmosphere is 96% carbon dioxide. In addition to this, Mars also has dust storms, and these can be very toxic for our lungs. And on top of all this, Mars doesn't have any liquid water. So to sum it up, Mars is extremely different from Earth, and so no matter how bad Earth gets due to climate change or any other reason, it will always be more cost efficient and convenient to fix Earth than go to Mars and make Mars like Earth. So naturally, that brings up the question of, well, why go to Mars? Why waste all that money on something we don't actually need? And that's a valid question. And the answer to that is, there are several benefits in terms of a space and technological advancement that traveling to Mars will bring out. It will inspire a lot of kids to become scientists, and that will result in the acceleration of technological and scientific advancements, similar to the boost in advancements we faced when going to the moon. But to some people, that may not seem like a good enough reason to go to Mars. If that's the case, then think about this scenario. Let's say that there is an asteroid heading for Earth and we're not able to stop it from hitting Earth. Well, then we're just trapped on Earth. Just the impact of the asteroid can kill the entire human civilization. Therefore, it's ideal to branch out into other planets. So to conclude, we should go to Mars, but that has nothing to do with how climate change is ruining Earth.
I'm going to step off the limb now. That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.